up these two cars that the fire brigade pulled to bits, and going to put it in the truck, and then they take the truck over to the crusher, and they'll turn them into a small suitcase.
This is, or can be, a one-man operation. The truck tows the crushing machine that's on a trailer and takes it to the job. They'll actually come to you if you have enough wrecks. The car wrecks are loaded into the back of the truck. Then the truck moves into position with X number of cars in the back, and then the operator moves the cars from the back of the truck into the crusher. The crusher can be operated by remote control or by another operator, as is the case here. This car, by the way, is a Mazda, and it's the car that the fire brigade used to demonstrate their skills with the jaws of life, cutting the people out of the car as a public display earlier. Sims Pacific Metals have brought their portable car crushing machine along to the Higgins Heritage Park Open Day for the public to see it in action. This machine operates hydraulics, pulling and pushing the crushing blades and the rams at 4,000 psi. So at that pressure, the cars they pop into the crusher don't put up much resistance. As you can see, the whole car is loaded into the crusher, wheels and all. And what happens once it's made into the little suitcase at the other end of this operation? It goes to a shredder, and the shredder tears the box apart. Then after that, all the small pieces are separated into their various categories, and so the car is totally recycled.
And there it is, about to pop out the other end. One blue car. There's the wheel, the seats, another wheel at the back there, picked up by the digger. Look at that. One Mazda, it says. The only thing you can tell about the Mazda is that it's got the little badge. Amazing.
Want to know a bit more about Low Gear? Then check out our webpage at www.lowgear.co.nz. Find out what's coming up on the show, where you can watch previous shows, DVDs for sale, and classic and vintage events that are coming up. If you have friends who can't get Face TV, our webpage shows all the alternatives so people can watch it no matter where they are. So check it out, www.lowgear.co.nz.